Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you crazy Etsy sellers, wherever you reside. I've got 5 fantastic, trending, growing digital products for April that you should be jumping on right now. And I'm even going to show you how to create one of them. So check this out. But guys, my name's AJ. I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Now, the first one that I'm going to be looking at is called the Preppy Easter Leopard Bunny PNG. Now, check it out. It's a bestseller bomb. It's got a conversion rate of 6.95. It's a 2-month-old listing. And all of these that I'm going to show you have a listing age of under 3 months. And guys, I find all of these digital products with my favorite, my top research tool called EverBee. Check out the link below and you can try it out for free. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you trends every single month, so stay tuned. These are the ones 5 for April. Now look, this is a bestseller. It's fantastic. This style is very synonymous with this time of year. This trending design of the bunnies with the glasses, coquette bow tie, and the bubble gum are the boxes that need to be ticked for this. So if you were to create a design in this style with a baby bunny, doesn't have to be in this exact style where you got 3 bunnies in that black and white style. Doesn't have to be. It can be any style, but the ingredients are baby bunny, glasses with that leopard print, coquette bow tie, and bubble gum. These are the winning combination. Now, obviously, the seller has given us their own take on it, and they've created 3 different designs. Really cute, really good idea. And this is what you have to do, guys. When you sell on Etsy, you need to understand what the trends are, what the sort of up and coming ideas, designs are, and obviously get your timing right. This was timed perfectly for Easter, and you can see even the design was listed at a good time. Although I do tend to list a bit earlier than that, it is listed at a good time. It's a bestseller. Let's just have a look very quickly and see how much it's making per month. And this is making $1,045 per month, right? It's only a 2-month-old listing. And this is a prime example of getting the ingredients right in terms of the design and the timing right? So if you time it right, and you got the ingredients right, and you can see from EverBee, it's got 100% visibility score because this is what people are looking for at the time. And just a quick side note, if you want my help building a profitable digital product store on Etsy, I do have something called an Ai Clipart Academy. Now, cliparts are one of the most searched for digital products on the Etsy platform, where millions of people look for this. They're highly popular, highly sought after, and searched by millions every single month. And now with AI, you can create cliparts quicker and easier than ever before. So in my academy, I work with people step by step, teaching my ecosystem scaling method, which is a full 12-month program teaching people how to research with AI, how to create designs with AI, and how to scale your business properly. You also get my full course, which takes you step by step from A to B, including how to open your Etsy store properly. And I also include showing you profitable clipart design ideas on a weekly basis, which are low competition and highly profitable, so you can get into those quickly. I also give you regular design feedback. I provide you with those store reviews on a regular basis, which are really invaluable and keep you on track. I do monthly lives, and obviously you have direct access to me. Spaces are limited, so be real quick. Link is in the description. Now back to the video. Okay, the second trending digital product is this bundle, and I call it the Mockup bundle, right? And what I mean by Mockup, these are t-shirt Mockup bundles for specifically for kind of spring, summer, right? And this is one of the easiest things that you could do, guys. It's a 1-month-old listing. It's got a conversion rate of 104%, which is massive, right? Let's just see how much it's actually making. And this is making $475. It's actually growing at a rate of 1,300%. And guys, where I think you can win on Etsy is that when you actually produce mock-up bundles, like things like this, and mock-ups can be anything, right? It doesn't have to be just t-shirts. Just imagine the amount of things that you could create mock-ups for, because people need to put their designs on mock-ups so that they can showcase their designs. And imagine how many different types of products you could create in terms of mock-ups. Now, the timing for this is also correct, is good. These are spring summer mock-ups. So you can see that you've got different color t-shirts of this character that's kind of wearing glasses and has a iced coffee by the looks of it, in her hand, which is perfect for this time of year. So anybody that's showcasing those designs for summer or spring would probably want to buy this kind of mock-up. And again, this can be created really quickly with AI tools. I have done a couple of videos on this using Kittle, my AI design platform, and honestly, it could not be simpler. I probably will try and do a video on this quite soon, but this kind of thing is, I call it an evergreen listing digital product, which can be sold all year round. And what I mean by that is, although this is specifically for summer and spring, you can create mock-ups for Christmas, as in for winter time. So you'd probably have a sort of, a snowy backdrop or sort of wintry backdrop. You could do something for Halloween. You could do something for Valentine's. You could really literally do these mock-ups for different times of the year. And as long as you time it right and you sell it within that period, then it would probably do quite well. Obviously, make sure that they're in that low competition sub niche. So for example, a type of t-shirt, a type of sweatshirt, a type of hoodie that people do look for and do want to showcase their designs. That's how you win on this type of digital product. Okay, the third one on my list is these farm animal clip arts. These really cute clip arts, farm animal ones in this watercolor style. Really nice, 3-month-old listing, 60 monthly sales. This is making approximately $311. It's a 3-month-old listing, right? And these are fantastic. These can sell all year round. And these are those evergreen clip arts. Now, obviously, there are other types of clip arts that you can produce. But this is something also that I teach on my AI Clipart Academy. I do have an academy that I've recently opened where I'm taking 50 students to teach them exactly how to create and scale a clip art business. So do check it out. The link is below. Remember, I've got limited spaces. So do check it out. And these are simply AI created images, right, of these farm animals. Now, it's always important to try to go into specific niches. This is the key to selling on Etsy. Make sure that you find those low competition ones. And if I go down, I mean, what's really good about this is this will have some good specific keywords within this for the creations of these designs. So if I go to analyze listing, I'll show you a few good keywords down here. Okay, let's move on to the fourth idea. And guys, like I said, I'm going to very quickly create one of these digital products for you. Just make sure you stay right to the end. Now, this is another one. This is number 4 on my list, which is I call a baptism menu template, Canva template. And this is a really good angle. Now, obviously, we know that wedding templates are pretty popular, but quite saturated unless you find a really good sub niche. This is a good sub niche that this seller has found, which is the baptism menu template. You've really got to drill down into these niches, guys. And the baptism one is a good one. It's got 29.41 conversion. It's only a 1-month-old listing, guys, So it shows you that even recent listings can do well, can sell on Etsy if you get the right sub niche. Now, what's nice about it is editable. So literally, if a Canva link is sent to you, you can obviously edit it and change it to how you want. For example, you could change the appetizers, main courses, desserts, and so on for the menu that's provided. This is actually grown at a rate of 1,500%. So like I said, it's a good listing. It's growing at a quick rate and it is working, guys. Okay, let's move on to number 5. Okay, guys, number 5 on my list is this. This is a cat motion magnet bundle, I call it. It's a laser cut. It's what you get is you get a digital download. So you literally get the cut file. So what happens is people that have these laser cut machines can actually, take the file, put it onto the software, and then literally they can cut this exact shape onto the machine. Obviously, this is a type of wood you can see that's been burnt. You can see it's been cut into the shape of these magnet cats so that the buyer can actually create these themselves using the laser cut machine. But obviously, they buy this digital design file through Etsy from the seller. Now, obviously, the seller needs to have some skill with regards to designing this through a software. So in terms of difficulty level, I would say this is quite difficult to do, but it is a bestseller and it does make money, and it is in a low competition niche. You can see that it's almost making $200 and it's a 1-month-old listing, and it's grown at a rate of 1,700%, which is absolutely massive, guys. Even when we come down to the listing, the competition is quite low in competition. You can see magnets bundle, SVG magnets, they are quite low in competition. So that is what you see. Now, I want to create for you very quickly my favorite digital type of product, which is clip arts. I'll show you how quickly it is to produce one of these farm animals. Let's go. Creating digital products using the power of AI could not be easier. I'm going to use a platform called Kittle, my go-to design platform. And I've even got 25% off all the plans if you want to try it out. And you can see that I'm on the Kittle platform right now. I'm going to show you very quickly how to produce one of these farm animals. Now, look at this. I'm on the artboard, and here in the box at the bottom, I'm going to create a very quick prompt that you can produce. Now, I do know for a fact that cute tractors, or should I say tractors, red tractors, in terms of, okay, one thing I do know is that there are many farm animals that people do look for in terms of farm animals for designs. So I'm going to create a cute farm animal really quickly using Kittle. So check this out. So I'm going to say create a cute baby sheep smiling at the camera in a watercolor style. Right now, look how many words I used. Not that many, really quick. And I'm not really going to write too much detail. I'm going to keep it simple. I can change it if I want later on. This is just a demonstration just to show you how quick it is to produce. Now, what's really good about Kittle, it's got so many design models, like types of AI design platforms really within this. I'm using Nano Banana, which is a really good one, and it's fast. This is 15-20 seconds to produce. So all I need to do is click generate, and let me just do one image for now and just literally show you how honestly easy it is. Now, I didn't do on a white background, which I should have done, but let's see what we get, and then I can always amend it slightly. Okay, so I've got a little cute sheep. Now, it's very detailed. I want to say remove background. Well, actually, I don't need to say. I'm just going to remove the background. Now, I can always say something like in a cartoon style with a white background. Now look, I've added two little elements. It's going to change the type of sheep I get, and it's also going to remove the background light. So check this out. I'm going to generate another one just to show you the slight difference. I've just added in a cartoon style. I didn't want it as realistic as that, so just to show you how you can very quickly amend the design or create a new design. There you go. This is way more in that cartoon style that I really wanted. I do need to remove the background though. Let me just zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. Remove the background and you can see the difference between the two, right? Look at that. So you can see that you can create many different types of clip art designs really easily, really quickly using AI, and you saw how long it took. So this is the power of AI, guys, and you can create digital products in a matter of seconds. And before you go, guys, if you want help building a profitable digital product business that I can help you with, then come and join my AI Clipart Academy. As I said before, clip arts are probably one of the most searched for items, digital products on the Etsy platform, where millions of people look for these all the time and buy them from Etsy. And now with the power of AI, we can create these much quicker and much easier. And in my academy, I work with people step by step to teach them exactly my ecosystem scaling method in my full 12-month program, showing you exactly how to use AI to research, to create these designs with AI, and to scale your business properly. So remember, spaces are limited, so be real quick. And remember, guys, if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.